Hello everyone, I am Dr. Akansha and I am here to deal with all your health problems, all your pregnancy issues and all your queries related to women's health. Today I'll be continuing with the topic of sex during pregnancy. Yes, today we'll be looking for various sex positions which you can use during pregnancy. See what happens in the initial 3 months. You can use any position because uterus is very small, body weight is not increased. So you can use missionary position, which is the most common position in which the woman lies on her back and man is on the top of woman. You can use this missionary position, but only thing to emphasize here in the first 3 months is that women should be able to control the act of pressure. Now, as the pregnancy advances, I mean in the mid-pregnancy between 14 to 28 weeks, you should basically avoid this missionary position because when woman is lying on her back and since her uterus is enlarging, her uterus is growing, the uterus presses the major blood vessels, and because of the compression of the major blood vessels, blood pressure of the woman decreases, and this is known as supine hypotension. And since the blood pressure of the woman decreases, woman might feel giddy, she might feel dizzy, she might feel restless, she might have headache. And not only this, since the blood pressure of the mother is decreasing, lesser of the blood goes to the baby, and so it's not good for the baby also. And so better to avoid this missionary position in the second half of the pregnancy. So what position you can use in the mid pregnancy? You can use cowgirl position, in which woman is on the top of the man. This is also known as womanal top. In this position, woman does not have any supine hypotension and woman can control the act of pressure also. So you can use this cowgirl position in the mid pregnancy. Other position which you can use in mid pregnancy is spooning position, in which men and women are lying in a lateral position and woman is in front of the men. You can use doggy style position also, in which the woman is in knee heel position. Now in the last 3 months between 28 to 40 weeks, you can use this spooning position, you can use cowgirl position, but better to avoid doggy style position because now the weight has increased, belly has increased, so woman does not have any support in doggy style position, so woman does not feel comfortable in that position and she has a risk of falling down also. So better to avoid this doggy style position, and obviously you have to avoid the missionary position also to prevent any supine hypotension. So to be mommies and daddies, I think you must have understood what sex positions you should use during pregnancy and science behind it, the reason behind it. So you can definitely have sex during pregnancy, but in a safe way. So do like it, share it and subscribe this channel. If you like this video, do also message me in the comment box about your views, about your queries, and do message me also if you like this video. Okay, take care, bye bye, see you soon.